Hello guys.
Hello.
Cara wants to vlog on her toy.
Hello.
And so she's doing it right now. And I'm gonna move the camera here.
Can we go over there on the floor?
Because this is the table we're eating. Dining table. And you can be here longer. Come on. I'll move. Can you move those plates over there?
Wait, just wait.
Okay. Smells like berry.
Yeah.
Okay, now you can do your vlog here.
And
Go.
then,
Oops. And then what are you gonna make?
something that you don't know.
Something that I don't know.
Oh no.
And what?
No. Oh no. No. Oh, do you know that slime melts in sun? The slime
Really?
melts in
Why?
sun. Yeah, because you know it's squishy and slimy. It's already slimy, but it will melt. No, allow puppy. Come here, I'm making something. You know that popular.
How many minutes are you gonna vlog? Can you have my phone now? Okay, and then you have to talk, okay?
Yeah.
I'll be back real quick.
Okay.
Are you playing something?
Yeah. It's slime.
Wala ibaba ang mga plate.
But so neat volume.
Yoli ang slime ha.
Kuya, naghimo tawo tanawa. Tawo. Hey, mermaid. You know what I'll pop to. Right there. Ooh, this is kind of slimy, guys. Guys, comment down below if me out there. And then this vlog will be only about 4 minutes, and then I'm gonna use her phone. Just don't tell her. You don't wait until 4 minutes, then I can use this phone. This minute will be quick, so I'm gonna make it very quick. But I have my iPad, so I'm gonna close it and yeah. Ooh, it's almost and then slime. And then wait. Okay, just more minutes. Just wanna make something real quick. Look. Okay guys, I'm done, so let's put this all back. Thanks for the birthday. Or maybe this is your brain, and then it's so slimy. Then you had to go for surgery. Next time I'm gonna do a surgery. Bye-bye. And then I'll go. Okay, it's already good. Life is good for God is good. Life is good for God is good.
Life is good for God is good.